should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah.
What do?
Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
How do you add this result to a dictionary? That's what I'm doing.
Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
How do you store this value right here? If num.
Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers.
Will it just store?
All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah.
And every time it finds a prime, I want you to take that fucking prime and store it somewhere. Right? And then it's right here. Right here is where we're gonna add it. How do you...
Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
Exactly what I'm looking for.
Real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
You got it right.
I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should. Yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I mean, I really think you should. Keep on playing, saying it's in your nature. Then you go on sucking, blaming over you. Wanna make you set you up for failure. Should be glad I'm here making you. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded.
Morning.
Oh, let me stop this music. I got
I was gonna say, whatever you're doing, hold on. I just found something.
Don't send me down a fucking rabbit hole.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Fucking, you leave home, make 3 left turns, and return home to find 2 men wearing masks. Who are they?
Wait, 3 left turns.
And return home to find 2 men wearing masks.
Hopefully not the Klan? I don't know. Who are they?
No. Oh, so the comment here, probably catcher and the umpire. Oh, it's a baseball thing, right? But that neckbeard roommate that I'm always bitching about, he's the whole reason I saw this post, because he commented on it. Hey, wait a minute. To get back to home plate, you only make 2 left turns. And I'm like, what the fuck? So it's always, no, if you run from home to first, you make a left to go to second, then at second you take a left to go to third, and
you take a left to go home. The only right you make is in the beginning when you go to home, or first.
But then below that, second to third doesn't seem like much of a left turn to me.
Well, it is if you're fucking running from first. You have to make the angle. He's assuming that you stopped at second, turned around, and were standing there.
I guess so. Either way, I'm just like, oh my god, he's such a fucking idiot.
All right. So I actually started making the list correctly, which actually isn't that hard. It's just you put it in the variable and then an equal sign and then brackets. Like, oh here, just send this to you because it'd be easier. Well, it'd be easier if I can find the fucking. There it is. Share button. Where are we? Here. Oh, this is on the internet too, so don't say anything. The only things I've changed thus far on this stupid thing is line 12, line 22. Oh, and line 14. Because I'm trying to make the whole process of finding the prime number callable. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I defined that.
Alright, but what is your prime... What's line 12 supposed to do?
It's supposed to... Well, because that's where it's supposed to start storing the values of the prime numbers it finds in line 20 through 22.
Okay, but line 22 turns whatever you're doing there. Is that the right way to assign values into an array, I assume that is? Or a list? It looks like you're turning a list into a number. Hardcore, like nuking the list and reassigning it as a single digit value.
Okay. So it's not going to just take num and put it into prime as a fucking...
No. You're going to want like prime with an index or whatever. List usually, I think in Python lists have like an add and remove function. You could just use it like a stack.
Right, you do like, yeah, okay.
Yeah. That way you don't have to worry about keeping track of it. You just know that you've got a stack of values, and you can pop them all off to get their sums or whatever it is if you need them.
Let me go to my fucking actual atom. All right. Okay, so 22. Well, okay, so then my problem is here is fucking the add command. All right, hold on. Let me go to fucking internets. Let me go to, how do I save results? Because this is, do I have a for loop? No, I have a while loop. Same difference. Whatever. But I'm trying to... Oops. Tab. Oh, no! Control Z. Control Z. Thank you. Yeah, they're trying to make me do this in pickle, which I don't fucking...
Ooh, wow. That's fancy.
Fancy. Yeah, you would do result.append.
There you go.
Or it wouldn't be result. Mine would be prime.append.
And then the value.
Parenthesis.
No.
And then num. Parentheses. Okay, let me see if that works. Oops. Is it again? Okay, so
this list comprehension thing is blowing my mind, though.
Yeah, dude. This is the shit that used to fucking rattle my fucking... Like, I could get so far, and then when I started doing dictionaries, lists, arrays, I was just like, what? It's like a fucking rabbit hole. It really is.
I wouldn't use that, but I'm just... this is like one of the more what the fuck examples. Uh-oh. Now I got a text message.
Uh-oh.
David Nielsen, do. You still have my bike lock? Yep.
You hate to say you're running around outside beating people in the head with it right now. Why do you have his bike lock? Curious.
Oh, we've discussed this. I don't trust or like any bike locks. So he bought one of the ones we were talking about and brought it to my office to try to pick. I'm convinced I could get it, but it's a little trickier than I was expecting. Yep, running around feeding the homeless.
With it. I put it in
Yep,
a sock. It's getting some good use.
right now.
Jesus.
Getting some good use.
Okay, so all right, hold on. You're putting me down rabbit holes. This whole thing. All right, so we. Okay, so num is num should be stored up here into a list. Okay, let's just see if it works. Print prime. Control S. Oh shit.
Got him.
Yeah, I'm not fucking. See, this is the thing. Exactly what used to blow my fucking mind. L fucking bracket colon bracket.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, remember us saying shit to you like that before? I'm like, how do you read this? Yeah, dude, I've seen them. I've seen them get fucking embedded in my what was it called? The NumPy and the SciPy when I was doing those courses. Oh my god, it was just like I think their colon fucking key had to be replaced before they were done writing the lines straight up. It was like okay, hold on. Wait, what was I doing? Oh, I want to save this. Control S. Did I save it? All right, let's go to. Let's see if it works. It did
I got
not
my ass
work.
beat yesterday.
Why
PUBG
didn't it
was
work?
not good. I don't know.
Is it because? Oh, maybe because it's in a loop. Let's see what happens if I take it out of the loop. Should be printing prime. That should fucking make something print. Damn it, why are these?
Oh my god, your Python channel is recommended on YouTube.
It better be fuck out. It should be. It should fucking be. I'm out there teaching the masses, dude.
I'm not even fucking subscribed.
I'm like the Pied Piper of Python programming. Both in context to Silicon Valley and to the mythology.
I want to be Erlich.
That's fine. That's fine. As long as I can be Big
Or
Head.
Big Head.
Yeah, I was gonna say
that.
no. I want Big Head. Fuck up everything. Get $20 million. Not
Yeah,
even
but
know
here-
what the
here-
fuck is going on.
Well, that's the thing is I feel like, oh, I mean, yeah, I feel like I work with a lot of big heads. Like I do. Like sometimes I go to my office, then I just sit there and I listen to Spotify. And it's like, man, they pay me to do this. Like, yep, no, big head hits home way too hard. Oh my god, I'm gonna die concrete. This isn't good.
Oh wait, you know why this isn't fucking working?
Hmm.
Because I'm not running the right fucking program. You are a fucking idiot. All right, I'm running because I started a new program, or a new file. Like my other one is the thousandth prime
Lifestyle?
.py.
Why are you in lifestyle?
What do you mean? Am I in lifestyle? Is that where it's got me?
Apparently, yeah. I'm
I
just
don't
scrolling through
It's
YouTube.
fucking goddamn fucking YouTube, dude. I cannot be held responsible for the things
You are right next to
fucking like.
all weapons and hot dogs, horseshoes, and hand grenades.
Good.
Shooting with one of the deadliest Spec Ops snipers. Empress
Ooh, I got
Teresa live
invalid
reading down the
syntax.
rabbit. I was laughing at Trump moving water bottles from a truck to a table or something.
Okay, why is this wrong? Oh, I'm breaking everything. I have a syntax error in my definition. And it's not telling me anything. Okay. EEF Python. Define functions of your own. All capitalized. Nice. Oh. So I need all that stuff. That would make sense. Yeah, because you're a hoe. Don't? Hmm. Nobody told me I needed that shit at the end of it. Now we have another syntax error. What are you telling me? Here's their indent error. Yes, because you're not supposed to be indented. I don't know why you are. I don't know why. Why would you indent yourself? I could have told you that white space was wrong. I don't even know dick. Control S. Invalid syntax? Why is that an invalid syntax?
Ooh.
Oh, because I have to have a comma there, you stupid bitch. Stupid bitch. Control Shift B. You know what? At least I'm now getting to the point that, like, fucking I can write pseudocode semi-quickly, but then when I get my errors, I don't have to fucking panic. I'm like, oh, okay, I just gotta put this here, this there, and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not, like, flipping screens trying to be like, oh, what the fuck is it talking about? I'm like, oh, yeah, there should have been a comma
well,
here.
that's what's kind of fun is like programming itself is I don't care what language it is. A lot of them are really basic. Give me a second, yo.
Well, yeah, yeah, go ahead. Okay, so you're running. Wait, what is this? Oh, no. Share that with people. Oh! It's not doing it. Clean out. Okay. How do you call your function to be run? That's... So I just make it go? Alright, let's see what happens, nigga, because I don't fucking know. Control S. Blew the fuck up. Alright. What's your problem? Line 25 in module, line 15 in module. While count. Oh. Okay, what do you mean it's referenced before the count? I don't understand. I have count up there. I have count here. 15. Let me see what you're saying to me. Bigger. No. Not. Unbound local error. Should be local or global. Phone charge. Oh, it's on. Wow. $11:30. Time for a break. Oh, boom boom. Got you, son. Fucking play with me. Now, does it have to be... Evidently not. Is it all gonna have to be fucking defined like that? Because if so, it's a little rough. Yeah, that doesn't work, you stupid fucking hoe. Oh! Fuck you, fuck you. Oh, got another error.
Oh no.
Oh, it's okay because I learned a new error since you've been gone and learned how to correct said error. It's because I'm defining. I got some are local variables and some are global, and right now,
Woohoo!
Yep.
Scope.
Yep. I've never done this before, but I think I'm fixing it. It seems rather redundant that I gotta retype global and then my variables inside of the definition, but whatever.
Yeah, sorry about that. Nap called.
Yeah, you're fine.
See if what I was doing for lunch.
What are you doing for lunch?
I don't know. I've got leftovers from DoorDash, and I'm in the middle of laundry, so
Oh,
not going out.
You want to play any PUBG?
Yeah, I'm down for PUBG. I've got nothing else going on.
All right,
All right,
global. Let me. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
yeah, give me a moment. I need to switch my laundry over to the dryer.
No problem. No.
Mm. But that should take me a
You
couple
good?
minutes.
Yeah, you good. I'm gonna see if Jacob wants to play as well. I know he wants to. Let's put it that way. I just told him hold
by
off.
the way,
Yeah.
I sent you that video of Gaming Grandpa.
I didn't see it. If you did, you need to resend.
Okay. Oh my God. So Gaming Grandpa plays PUBG. And he's not bad. Well, okay, hold on. In his highlight reel, he is not bad. But anyway, and so yeah, this fucking video was awesome. And I sent it to Nat, we were laughing about it. Then I'm looking for something to play while I was playing fucking Mario Rayman.
Yeah.
And yeah, oh my God, Gaming Grandpa is playing PUBG right now. He's in a squad. Let's see what's going on. All right, so yeah, I watched him for a little bit. I watched him for 10 minutes, and his bossy ass was yelling at people. Then he drove a Jeep into ruins, like late game. Got fucking ambushed from all sides, and he didn't even like drive the car to cover. He just stopped and jumped out. Then he killed one guy in the field and ran. Like, okay, from his perspective, it was pretty obvious what he wanted to do. He wanted to go left. Someone else flanking right, and they would just pin the guy behind the rock. But he didn't say anything, and he got his ass killed. And then he was bitching at his team for not fighting quick enough. And yeah, then fucking somebody in the chat was pointing out that there was no call out. He drove the car right into the middle of the fucking field. Like, he gave his team no chance to get cover.
Holy fuck! I did it.
Oh shit.
I mean, it's fucking working. It's now listing. It's doing everything it should do, but it's also listing the primes going down. Like before, it used to just tell you like wait, why? Yeah. Okay, this is your. It's displaying. Oh, because I have a print command in there. Displaying. Okay, let me get rid of that print command. Where is that?
Lakewood Church just passed around collection plates to hurricane evacuees.
Oh, see, I have. Something's a little bit off, but I'm getting it. I mean, I got my function defined. That's working. The only thing it's doing now, though, is it's printing. It's printing. Instead of printing the last prime it finds, it's printing all the numbers that it's looking at, but it's making the list of only the primes, so that's correct. My problem is another thing. Alright, let's take a fucking break. Oh, first though, I gotta go find some. I'll be right back. I'm gonna find something.
Yeah, give me a minute.
Yeah. Oh, I think my print command's outside of the loop. That's why it's doing that. Let's see. Let's see if you want to be a stupid bitch to me. I don't want you to repeat every time, though. Well, maybe you shouldn't even be in the fucking loop at all. Thanks. I'm off by 1. I'm off by 1.
Yo.
Well,
But
I don't
yeah.
know what I did wrong here.
Uh-oh.
I'm getting it all right, but now I'm off by 1 prime. Like, my thousandth prime should be 700 or 7,917 or something, and it's giving me 7,909. It's just off by 1. It's doing 1 less, and I didn't change any of that fucking code for that part of the. You know what I'm saying? I didn't change that. Like, what are you doing? Why? Well,
now you know. Now you're learning why off by 1 errors are so prominent. Hell, fuck! Just a couple weeks ago, even my company was bit by an off by 1 error. Wasn't us. It was Pearl. We fixed it, but still. Alright, get my air down. Okay, buddy, leave it.
also, I could be
Uh-oh. No. No, 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 no. Whoops. Testing, testing. All right. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Yeah, no, I lost sound in my right ear. But these are like a nice pair of headphones. I'll be fucking pissed if they die.
Control X. Control. What I want to do. Okay, let me see something.
Hmm?
You didn't save it, or what? You Control S? You didn't save? 'Cause why aren't you showing me? Should have been at the top. Okay, so that one worked. 5,000. I think. I don't know. Dude. Why, when I run this, when I find the function, does it run 2 seconds faster? Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I came out from nowhere. I didn't have time. Okay, for example, my original stupid find the prime program that's just like, this runs and finds the prime. If you try to find the 5,000th prime, it takes exactly how long it takes. Still waiting. Takes 9.94 seconds. Okay, to pull up the 5,000th prime with my original programming. Now the one where I changed it and I defined it, you know what I'm saying? I defined that whole loop. It takes 7.5 seconds, and it's actually doing more because I have it also displaying every prime it finds. So not only is it finding just displaying the 5,000, it's also making a whole list of all 5,000 before it. You know what I'm saying? Why is that faster?
I'm not sure, but hold on.
Okay, well, if you don't find out, I'm driving down there.
What? What?
The fuck? It's like 2 seconds faster. That's a lot of time. I'll Google it.
Okay. It's fine. People are here. They do things. Everything is happy in life.
Okay, how do we Google it? Okay. Why does defining a function make Python run? Boom! Really? Alright, that makes sense. How can I send this to you without fucking cutting it up? Where is...
Working for me? All right. Oh,
Yeah.
local variables and globals. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my, hold on. Stallone. Stop.
That's from Stack Exchange.
Whew, all right.
So, unless I'm reading that wrong, it's going faster because the process in which that it looks at local variables is faster than when it has to pull a global.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. And like just to break it down to fucking English. I mean, I thought I understood it, but making sure. Which in my mind makes sense because instead of spreading, you know what? It's like
There has
what?
to be a benefit to not having a bunch of global variables. I mean, there's all sorts of little benefits.
Yeah. Well,
But
I mean,
yeah,
I understand
it
you're
makes
keeping
sense.
everything in a confined area. It doesn't have to go as far. I mean, I gotta figure it is like a warehouse. Let's say you didn't have the whole warehouse, like your warehouse was not full, but what you're doing is you're putting all of your shit in all four corners. So whenever you need something, you gotta walk all that direction, that four corner, grab it, come all the way back to fucking use it, go back to that corner, put it back. But if it's just in four corners, put it all in one corner. You know, if you had four like crates, because it could all fit there, and you're going to transfer it quicker. That I understand. Oh,
There's lots of really fancy things like that. grep, for example, in Bash, it's ridiculously fucking fast search utility for like searching text literally anywhere.
you're talking bash, right?
Bash, yeah, but you'll see grep show up in a lot of places. But like one of the things it does is if you're searching for something like, let's say you're looking up I don't know, word, WORD, right?
Yeah.
And it will actually search for it in bunches. So when you're going through text files, it doesn't look through every letter. It says, okay, I got 4 letters to deal with. Are any of you W? Nope. All right, going on to the next 4 letters. It doesn't even, if it it doesn't go
by process of elimination instead of.
Well, it's like if these 4 letters don't contain a W, none of them will be like, it's useless searching this area for the word. So it just like it skips the next like 4. It pretty much it eliminates exactly everything that it couldn't possibly be anyway.
Right.
And it's super fucking optimized because of it.
I drop all kinds of frame using XSplit.
Oh my god, I want to cry. That looks so good.